In Fort Mill, just off Adobe's Bridge Road, lies Massey. Massey has been a wildly popular community. It had several builders in it at one time. And right now, Taylor Morrison is leading the pack. They have homes in a new phase that's open. We're going to take a look at the Pikewood plan. And the Pikewood has been one of their very popular one-story homes. They do offer a second level bonus room on the Pikewood. Come in right away, you have the formal dining, and boy, I can smell the turkey dinner now. Formal dining's got plenty of space. You know, some people like the formal dining. Some say I don't use it that much anymore, so of course you could have doors installed to create a home office on the main level. Plenty of space. It is a one-story that does include a powder room, and I sure like the idea of a powder room because some one-stories only include full baths. This is a great room for when mom and dad come to visit, and in the bath here you could do either a walk-in shower or the tub shower combination. Right now this Taylor Morrison is getting near the end, so at one point this model home may go on the market, but for now they do have a couple of homes that are in production that are available. Come in off the garage, you do have a generous laundry room. Of course, they put the cabinets in here. We'd need to see if they've got that going in the ones available. Anytime I have sold this Pikewood, everyone comes in and looks at this kitchen, and this is a wow kitchen. Plenty of space, plenty of island space, plenty of cabinet space, connects into the great room, into the breakfast area. I do have some insider information about one of the Pikewoods that they're building today. And it is a rare opportunity because the builder made a mistake, not really, but they accidentally built one, and instead of having this bedroom, you would have a large pantry. And so let me show you what I mean. The two-car garage is behind this wall, and instead of building this bedroom, they actually built this part of the home as a garage. They call it a tandem garage. The very first Pikewood I ever sold, the gentleman was a Mustang collector. So he selected the tandem garage, and he's got his Mustang Boss parked in his tandem. So fine finishes all throughout the home. Taylor Morrison has a spectacular design center. Great room with built-in bookcases. Again, we'd need to see what the specifications are on the ones they're building. A lot of natural light, a lot of openness. If I can help you, please call me 704-202-7460. Outdoor living, they did covered porch. Of course, the model added some pavers on there. You can see the lot sizes. And the primary suite on the main level. Again, plenty of wall space. I love how they did the windows up above, allow the natural light coming in. You also have windows here and still have plenty of wall space. 8-foot doors on the main level, 4 hinges. Come in the primary bath, and there is plenty of countertop space, plenty of drawer and cabinet space. And this is what we call a luxury shower. It is certainly a what we call a car wash shower. Plenty of room in there, plenty of storage, bench seat. They did the upgraded jets. Of course, on this home, they did lots of closet space. You can see that. And they actually carried the wood into the closet on the particular model here. You got to be careful with model homes. I say it's almost like going to Disneyland because, you know, they get a team of decorators that come in and just do an outstanding job on them. The other thing that I like about the Pikewoods is they do offer a second level, and on the second level you do have a bonus room, a bathroom, and a bedroom. We'll venture upstairs and take a look. This one's got wooden spindles on the stairs. Sometimes they do offer wrought iron or what I call the craftsman style, the 2x2s. So, second level bonus room, hangout room, teenagers room. Sports center, like the way they've got 2 TVs mocked up in here. The model home shows this back porch. I need to let you know the homes they have available, they did not select that. It's kind of a pricey option, and the question becomes, how often will you really ever use that? Great place though, as I mentioned, depending on who's visiting or who's living with you. Full bath, teenager's room, college student's room. I'm Rodney Jones, and if I helped you today, and I think I have, call me 704-202-7460, 704-202-7460, call or text.